Hello, my friends. My name is Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a vocal warm-up with vocal exercises for smooth singing or legato singing. Come into alignment, then focus first on the breath. Take a couple of low, slow, natural breaths. Now let's hiss out for one medium-length breath. Great, do this one more time. Feel free to pause if you'd like to do a few more of those. This exercise will ensure that breath onset and the sustaining of the breath is smooth and predictable. Let's begin now on a lip trill. We can sing. We're gliding through these pitches. Try for a clean onset that doesn't sputter at the beginning. We want the beginning to be under our control. Here we go. Now to an NG sound like Air should only be coming out of the nose. We'll sing the following pattern. And go. Next, we're going to sing on a single note while changing vowels. We'll go up and down a Pentac Scale with this exercise. It will sound like this. Etc. Here we go. I wanted to take a moment to make sure that you've heard about the mobile app that I've published for vocal warm-ups on the go. It has some of my favorite warm-up playlists, there are no commercials, and you can save your favorites for offline use. It's called Vocal Warm-Ups with Kathleen. It's available for all platforms, and information and links are below. I hope you'll check it out. Now we're going to connect the sounds E and O, like E-O, 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 E. Here we go. E-O, 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 E. Next, we can sing up and down a Pentac Scale, like For this, allow the tongue to feel free and gentle as the air remains steady. We don't want to pulse the air on each note. Here we go. To a bit of flexibility, we'll first sing on a V sound and then open up to an E, like your turn. Sigh down gently. Now with steady air and a feeling of ease, let's do some sirens and glides. You can stick with me or you can choose your own sounds. As we sing this final exercise, which will incorporate a bit more range, keep reminding yourself that singing can feel a little bit more like sighing. We'll sing on the words I sigh to sing. Hang in as long as you can, or switch octaves if you need to. I sigh to sing and go. I sigh to sing. 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 Thank you so much for warming up with me today. It is always a pleasure. If you'd like a bit of a longer warm-up, check out the link that should be right about here. Also, I hope you'll check out my vocal warm-up app linked here. I will see you next time.
Oh, there you are.
As you were, back to sleep.